100% you don't want to eat after 6 p.m. if you're trying to lose weight. That's the kind of outdated advice that you'll get so often online when you're quite unsure yourself, and you then end up very confused. It makes it bad enough that weight loss is always going to be challenging either way, no matter what you do, but when you don't even know what you should be doing, it can feel like you're pissing into the wind. This 6 p.m. rule, 7 p.m. rule, whatever time you want to pick, has been disproven in research studies time and time again. And whether it's 5 o'clock in the evening or 8 o'clock in the evening, your body's not going to store or metabolize food any differently, and it's not going to make you gain more fat. So maybe you should switch your attention to things that are actually going to impact your results, like exercising better, managing your overall daily calories better, and getting more steps in. And if you are scared of eating past a certain time until now, you should probably follow me.